Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer on XTrend speed, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile, which is at the bottom of the screen, the last option, me, then click on the click on the transfer, and then you can see the rule for fund transfer between XTrader and MT4. So you are allowed to transfer funds between XTrend Speed XTrader account and XTrend Speed MT4 account, but you are not allowed to transfer funds among MT4 accounts. Limits for transferring funds to XTrend Speed MT4 account: minimum amount is 100 for first fund transfer, non-initial minimum $1, maximum amount is 1000 per single fund transfer. Limit for transferring funds from XTrend Speed MT4 account, maximum amount is 1000 per single fund transfer. Zero fees and charges for fund transfer. Instant arrival, no transfer number limits. So if you go back, you can see that you can select the account from and to, after that the amount in USD, and then click on the transfer. And if you are not sure what is the MT4, if you scroll down, or if you want to sign up, you can see the commission free trading available on MT4. And here you can see the MT4 is a popular trading platform in the world. It provides users with powerful features for graph analysis, which allows users to develop complex trading strategies based on their needs. It also offers users demo accounts in which they are able to practice their trading skills and place orders with virtual funds. Besides, MT4 is a pioneer of commission-free trading with real funds. Or you can see that you can create a real account, or you can create a demo account. And if you scroll down, you can see some additional information. What is the relationship between the XTrend Speed MT4 account and XTrend Speed Trader account, and so on. So here you can check the information and you can sign up if you would like to do that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.